It's time for a quick recap. What a day. There's so much spice going on, which furthers my point that there's no need for Hollywood because reality is the new Hollywood. It is just spicy. So, really nice trade today in the market, and see where the Namo is. So again, guys, I drew this out earlier in the day, just eyeballing this, and this is completely possible. Okay, I don't know. There's obviously, when you're dealing with a inverted head and shoulders like this, whoa, look at that, fancy. It doesn't need to be this symmetrical. 2 scoops. If we get 2 scoops tomorrow and this starts going, chase it. But that means CPI is gonna be pretty funky. And most often it comes down again. Okay, probably down to there. So just keep that in mind. Now, with that said, what we're doing here after hours, we're gonna jump over to SPY. Let me show you. See this whole cluster here, this is an inverted head and shoulders. Come down, this is kind of a falling wedge that break out. What we did today was not only epic, but it was so slow that when the finally when the move came, I kind of sized out. Now, I'm still heavy, but on individuals. I sold all my SPY after hours. Reason being, I bought those 576s for next Monday. And after hours, they juiced to 48, 50%. That, in my opinion, was too much. Okay? Did you just hear what I said? That, in my opinion, was too much. So, it is up even more now. I don't know what that data tomorrow is going to do. I do know that he's very bullish to close higher day into close. However, as you know, half of these walls into closes, whether it's a sell or a pop, usually a reverse. So I would not be surprised if this reverses in the morning. However, if it does do that, since this is a perfect symmetrical inverted head and shoulders going on here, I will buy it. And if it's in line with the expectations and we dip, I will buy it. And if it does that, I will probably swing it into CPI and ride it end of the week. So that's why I sold those SPYs. Now, if this just rips tomorrow, look, there's a rumor. I know I sold my 450s. I'm fucking sitting on 410s for January 24th. Full position. Okay? Do you understand? If Elon decides to buy TikTok, holy moly, this shit is gonna go nuts. Now, there was a rumor. Okay? This rumor has since been refuted by the Chinese. So Meta was up with everything else. I mean, the 610s 2 weeks out. It dipped, now it's up again. So what does that mean? That means if the market holds, you can be buying dips on Tesla and Meta. Tesla obviously has the catalyst of the election. TikTok would just be a bonus. Okay? I'm sure he will buy it if they will sell it to him. It's peanuts for him. If he doesn't, I still expect Meta to go crazy. Nvidia up 2. Now look at this. Yes, did I scale out a bunch of Nvidia? Yeah. But my core position is 131s for January 24th. Why have I positioned myself out that way? Well, again, it's not always right, but the sports calendar, okay, here's January again, has this run up into the inauguration. What could cause this? Can it be Bank of Japan? Sure, but Bank of Japan is here. I think this is a plethora, if this happens, of executive orders, people chasing that Trump trade that happened with the election if this plays out. So that's why you want to be catching these day trades today, like we did today, but this week, to build up your account so that when it comes time for a YOLO, if it goes south, you're not going to take a big hit, and if it goes, you're sitting on these original positions from down here. Okay? Home Depot got out of it. Might get back in. No clue why this pulled this move today. Haven't had time to look. Didn't find anything. Missed this today. So I think here, but I'm glad Bill caught it. But guys, I caught Meta. I caught Nvidia. I caught SPY. Didn't play Apple, but I'm in Tesla. So my big swings are Tesla, Nvidia, Meta, and this bad boy. Which by the looks of it, is gonna be doing all right. And if this move continues, it is off of a nice bottom here, and this thing can go all the way back to here. And all you need to go do is look at what the contracts on MSTR were at the beginning of last week. Okay? So, if we can reverse this tomorrow, this is set up for an absolute face ripper. And the reason I'm saying is we've consolidated now. The 4 hour looks spicy. We've come down a long way. We haven't gotten killed. This pattern usually explodes to the upside, but we need to see some follow through tomorrow. I would like a gap, sell all my shit, take YOLOs, way out the money, change up the strategy a little bit for CPI. Okay, there's so much going on here, guys. Now again, today not a big news day. Tomorrow it starts, right? We got PPI, we got Fed speakers, you name it, leading into CPI. They've changed how they count it. They're using 2023 data. I don't know if that's gonna be more cooking or show the truth. Goolsby Wednesday, Thursday, we got jobs, bank earnings also tomorrow, which brings me to JPM. Absolute killer move. I think I sold here. I didn't want to carry too much shit into this first piece of data. I want to be in a lot of cash to catch the opportunities. Obviously today, Chef and I should have held those 578s. Absolutely beautiful move. But again, I mean, look, how did I play it? Just to recap, took 578s, rode it up to here, got out for the chop, took 580s, nice. This is this end of day shit. This is why I'm keeping these swing core positions. All right, guys, with that said, let's get it tomorrow. God bless.
Liftoff, Space Shuttle Atlantis. Mission until resupply and new research. Internet, space station. Mission now controlling Atlantis begins its penultimate journey ashore on the International Space Station. Atlantis now in cargo line safe to have no line to water and have low pounds of hardware and fuels taking aim on the international outpost. Atlantis almost 2 miles in altitude, almost 6 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center already, traveling 500 miles an hour.